Hello guys, have you ever thought to make a trip to Mars planet? Now you think that how will we survive there, right? Yeah, that is a major question raises in everyone's mind. We all know that the basic needs to survive in a place are oxygen, food, water, shelter. Except these all, oxygen is the most important key for astronauts and humans. But how it is possible to survive on Mars without oxygen? As for now, there is only 0.13% of oxygen in Mars atmosphere and 96% of carbon dioxide. Obviously, we're not gonna breathe CO2, so there is no use of it. But wait, presenting you an instrument called MOXIE that is the size of a car battery, proving it can generate oxygen which it can do the work of a small tree. And the working process is very simple. It takes CO2 and releases oxygen. And now you think that now there is a chance to survive on Mars. And this MOXIE.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Okay, let me tell the story behind the name. MOXIE, it's a catchy name because it helps humans to explore Mars by making oxygen, and it works in situ. Situ means in a place on the red planet, and it is an experiment. So if you observe the first letters of Mars, oxygen, in situ and experiment, and you will get the word called MOXIE, and this is how the name evolved.
रेड बटन है।
The outcome of this technology is encouraging to work towards our ultimate objective of sending humans to Mars one day. And also, oxygen is not only stuff we breathe. Future explorers, future astronauts will depend on manufacturing propellants on Mars to make the journey back to home, because rocket propellants requires oxygen. And the working process of MOXIE is very simple, that it separates oxygen atoms from carbon dioxide molecules, which are made up of one carbon atom and two oxygen atoms, and finally a waste product, that is carbon monoxide, is emitted into the Mars atmosphere. Dude, this conversion is not that much easy as you think. It requires a high level of heat to reach the temperature approximately 1500 degrees Fahrenheit, that is approximately 800 Celsius. Do you know this? In its first operation, it produced 5.4 grams of oxygen, that is equivalent to 10 minutes worth of breathable oxygen for an astronaut. That's cool, right? Here we can see in this image that MOXIE began producing oxygen at a rate of 6 grams per hour. After that, the rate was reduced 2 times. After an hour of operation, the total oxygen produced was about 5.4 grams. For present, MOXIE is a testing model. Future oxygen generators that support human missions on Mars will be 100 times larger than the present instrument. So finally, for this, we have to transport a lot of stuff from the Earth, like computers, spacesuits and housings, to enable this human mission to Mars. But what about the stupid oxygen? Go to the Mars, you can get it there, man.